Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rusha's Tales. Today we are going to make a strawberry mask for our face, hands and feet. आज का स्ट्रॉबेरीज़ का सीज़न है तो आज हम एक मास्क बनाएंगे लेफ़्ट ओवर स्ट्रॉबेरी से जो बहुत राइप होती हैं. First you have to like, subscribe and share my video, and please do comment if you like my videos. So let's get started. So here I got these strawberries. अब इसमें से जो सबसे ज़्यादा राइप है वो वाली मैं उठा लूँगी. By the way, I have already separated two of them. You can see they're fully ripe and they're bleeding. तो इसमें से I'll see if I need some more strawberries, then I'll definitely gonna pick them up. I think I'll pick this one. So first of all, start by removing their tops. These ones. So अब हम इसे भी ऐड करें. ये fully ripe है, as you can see. Let's mix it all together. Yummy. Now you have to thoroughly mix it like this. और अब इसका एक अच्छा सा पेस्ट बन जाएगा. Make sure there are no lumps in this. Now I'm gonna add this raw honey in it. If you have extreme किस्म की oily skin, then you will add half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel in it. And if you are having extreme किस्म की dry skin, then you may add 2 to 3 drops of coconut or almond oil or jojoba oil according to your convenience. And if you're a combination skin type like me, then you may not need to add anything else in it. Now start by applying little amount on your face like this. Just apply in circular motion. Gently. So here is the final look of my hand. If you really like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe my channel. You see my hand is looking so brighter than previous one. And we have prepared this mask using simple ingredients, raw honey and strawberry. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.